Rooster and the Jewel by Aesop's Fables. Cock-a-doodle-doo, crowed the rooster. Time to wake up. Cluck, 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 answered the hens. They walked out into the bright, sunny morning. Lovely morning, said one of the hens. Perfect day, said another. The last one out of the hen house was the rooster. He was proud. He cocked his head and strutted through the yard. He did one lap, then another. Then he got up on his perch to keep a lookout for danger. Scratch, pick, flap. The hens started scraping to find something to eat. Would it be corn or barley? They hoped for a good morning feed. From his perch, the rooster spied something sparkling in the morning sun. "Would you look at that?" cried the rooster. "Out of my way!" he shouted as he flapped down. It was the color of corn, but the shape of an acorn. The hens gathered around. "What is it?" asked one. "Let me see," said another. The gem glittered in the sunlight. Cluck, flap, cluck. The hens moved in closer. "This is very fine and beautiful," said the rooster. "It's probably very valuable, but not to me. I'd rather had a single grain of corn than any jewel." What is treasure to one person might be worthless to another. A hungry rooster watches as the hens scratch for corn. But what's this? A shiny jewel. Thank you for watching my stories.